Okay, we're out here. We marked a good bit of trees. Open up the driveway. This area right here is where I'm going to pull my toy hauler in for now. Get that all cleared up. I got some sun facing south. I can hook up some solar here temporarily. And then down through here is going to be the road up to where I'm going to build my shop and the house. Needless to say, a bunch of those trees are history. A lot of work to do. So I'll be back in a few hours. There's going to be trees laying all over the place. Sadly, I got to take that nice straight cedar tree down. It's probably going to fall on the road. So we're going to get ready to drag that out. All right, that's it for now. We'll be back.